So hello guys, today I'm going to show you the features of LG all-in-one convection microwave oven. So I'll tell about its features, what it does and everything. So when we turn on, a orange kind of light turns on, and here are the auto cookbook menu. First one is low calorie. In low calorie we can make so many things: soup, salads. So it has a specific number, HP1, like that. So here you can see HP2, HP3 and HP4. So we have 4 things to make. And next we have Tandoor Se. So if we press that, there is only one we can make. So the code came, that code will be entered. So you can see. So they'll give options to how to make them also in a book. Next we have Kids Delight. In that we have Child's Favorite, only one. So like this you can they gave so many features, and with that you can make so many things also. They have given a menu and we can make dishes from that by just selecting here. And next we have Indian cushion, specially for Indian people. After that we have if we press again, it will go next Sweet Corner. So first is Indian cushion, Sweet Corner and etc. So this also has a code. And the specialty for this is that we can make ghee, paneer and curd in this. So that's the specialty of this oven. Next we have Ghee Bakery. Means in that you can make bakery items and you can even make ghee. Next we have Tea Dairy Delight. We can make tea, coffee, so many things etc. Except tea and coffee, you can make green tea and etc. also. Next we have Paneer and Curd. This is also very easy. We also made paneer so many times in this. Next is Cooking Aid. After that we have Steam Clean. Steam Clean means that if you want to clean your oven, if it's dirty and if you want to clean it, then you can use Steam Clean to clean it. So this is also a special thing given by them. Next we have 10 seconds, 1 minute and 10 minutes. So you can select from here only. But if you press low calorie and if you want to make an item and if you press only low calorie, then it will auto set the minutes. No need to press the minutes. It will all it is already programmed, right? So it will be like that. Next we have microwave mode. So in microwave mode you can it will be very quick. You can make tea like that. Not tea, but you can easily make anything. It will be very quick and fast. Next we have convection mode. In that it will be very easy to cook also, but it will take very very long time. So we have till 230 degrees. Next we have grill mode. This is for sandwiches, and convection mode is for bakery items, and grill mode is for making sandwiches. Grilling, it is like toasting. So in grill you can change the watts or anything, but in microwave you can change, and convection also. So guys, before continuing the video, if you want to buy LG convection microwave oven, link is there in the description for buying it, and you can buy it from there. Thanks. So here they gave all the manual how to control them, how to first set up them. You have to set up inside parts, just the wire, not wirings, just keeping the plate up and things like that. They even gave low rack and up rack. So here we have all the low calorie, and as I told you, they gave the items which we can make, and they even gave in some pages how to make those recipes. So you will be having ingredients in this, how to make it and etc. Next up we have Tastes of India. This is only for India. So in this you can see that it is very nice to see and touch also. So in this we have soups and snacks. First you can make some things of soups and snacks, pizzas. They gave how to make in this Taste of India and etc. So you can see here veg and non-veg. You have everything you want. And next we have sweets corner. You have cakes, you have cookies, so many things. You have desserts. You have healthy recipes. These are healthy ones. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.